British Columbia, here in Victoria, Canada. Where are we going?
To the Parliament's building.
The Legislative Assembly of British Columbia is the deliberative assembly of the Parliament of British Columbia in the province of British Columbia, Canada. The Legislative Assembly meets here in Victoria. Members are elected from provincial ridings and are referred to as members of the Legislative Assembly.
Oh no!
You're a tourist.
Yeah?
Oh no!
$11. Oh, it's already started.
Hi, we're here, British Columbia Legislative.
Legislative Assembly.
That's the Fairmont Empress, formerly known as the Empress Hotel. Thank you for watching and please subscribe to my channel.